A barista is a person who makes coffee. They work in coffee shops. A barista makes drinks like espresso, latte, and cappuccino. These drinks are tasty and warm. Coffee is special for many people. It helps them wake up in the morning. It smells good and makes people feel happy. Many people drink coffee every day. A coffee shop is a place to relax. People can meet friends, talk, or work. It is quiet sometimes and busy other times, but it is always friendly and fun. Being a barista is not easy. A barista must work hard and fast, but it is also fun. They meet many people every day. This makes the job exciting and new. A barista learns many skills. They learn how to make coffee and talk to people. They also learn how to work as a team. These skills help them every day. Baristas also make customers smile. A good cup of coffee and a kind word can make someone's day better. A barista makes coffee and spreads happiness. A barista's day starts early in the morning. They wake up and go to the coffee shop. In the morning, the shop is quiet. The barista gets ready for the day ahead. The first job is cleaning the coffee shop. The barista cleans the tables, chairs, and counters. They make sure the shop looks nice and fresh for the customers. Next, the barista checks the coffee machine. The machine is big, shiny, and very important. It must be clean and ready to make good coffee for everyone. The barista also checks the coffee beans. The beans must be fresh and smell good. They put the beans into the grinder to make them ready for coffee. After the beans, the barista checks the milk in cups. They also look at other tools like spoons, napkins, and cleaning cloths. Everything must be ready to use. When the shop is clean and all the tools are ready, the barista feels happy. They look at the clock. It is almost time to open the shop for the day. Making coffee is the most important job for a barista. They make many drinks, like espresso, latte, and cappuccino. Each drink is different and needs care. To make coffee, the barista uses fresh beans. First, they put the beans into a grinder. The grinder turns the beans into fine powder for brewing. The barista takes the powder and puts it in the coffee machine. The machine heats water and pushes it through the powder. This makes strong, fresh coffee. For milk drinks, the barista uses a frother. The frother makes milk hot and bubbly. The barista pours the milk into the coffee to make it soft and creamy. Baristas also make patterns in the milk foam. They use tools to create shapes like hearts or leaves. These designs make the coffee look beautiful. Making good coffee takes practice. A barista must work quickly and carefully. Every step matters. They want each drink to taste perfect for the customer. Customers come to the coffee shop all day. A barista greets them with a smile and says, "Hello?" A kind and friendly barista makes people feel welcome. When a customer arrives, the barista listens to their order. Some customers know what they want. Others ask for help. The barista helps them pick the best drink. Baristas ask questions like, "Do you like strong coffee?" or "Do you like milk in your coffee?" These questions help customers choose the right drink for them. The barista writes the order on a cup or paper. Then they start making the coffee. Some customers also order snacks like cookies, cake, or sandwiches. While waiting, customers may talk to the barista. Some come every day. Baristas often remember their names and favorite drinks. This makes customers feel special. Talking to customers is fun for the barista. The coffee shop is not just about drinks. It is also a place for smiles, good conversations, and happy moments. The coffee shop gets very busy at certain times. In the morning and during lunch, many people come in. The barista must work quickly to help everyone. When it is busy, baristas work as a team. One person takes orders, another makes coffee, someone else gets snacks ready. They help each other all day. The barista remembers many orders at once. The shop is loud, with the sound of the coffee machine, people talking, and the door opening. It is a busy scene. Even when it is busy, the barista stays calm and kind. They smile and thank each customer. Being friendly is important, even on the busiest days. After the rush, the barista takes a short break. They sit for a moment, drink water, and prepare for more customers. Breaks help them stay strong all day. Busy times are hard but exciting. The barista moves fast and does their best. At the end of the rush, they feel proud of their hard work. At the end of the day, the coffee shop becomes quiet again. The barista cleans the tables and chairs. They pick up cups, plates, and napkins left by customers. Next, the barista cleans the coffee machine. The machine is very important, so it must be shiny and ready. They also clean the grinder, frother, and counters. The barista sweeps the floor and makes sure everything looks nice. A clean shop is ready for tomorrow. Cleaning takes time, but it is an important job. The barista also checks supplies. They look at the coffee beans, milk, and cups. If something is missing, they write it down to prepare for the next day. After all the cleaning and checking, the barista feels tired but proud. They worked hard and made customers happy. The shop looks perfect and ready. Finally, the barista turns off the lights and locks the door. The day is over. It is time to rest and get ready for another busy day tomorrow. Being a barista is a special job. It is busy and sometimes hard, but it is also fun. A barista learns many skills, like making coffee and talking to people. Baristas meet many customers every day. Some customers come often and become friends. This makes the coffee shop a happy place full of smiles and kindness. Making coffee is more than a job. It is a way to bring happiness to others. A good drink and a warm smile can make someone's day much better. At the end of the day, a barista feels proud. They think about how hard they worked and how many people they made happy. This makes their job very rewarding. A coffee shop is more than a place for drinks. It is a place for connection, relaxation, and joy. Baristas help create these good moments for everyone. Being a barista is not just a job. It is a way to share love for coffee and care for people. Every cup of coffee is a little gift of happiness.